All right, everyone. So today we will be working on DVWA and explore command injection, directory traversal, and a basic of the cross-site scripting. All right. So the first step is we need to turn on our servers to so we can start our DVWA. So firstly, I'm gonna start my Apache server, MySQL server. Right, and then I'm gonna start my Apache 2 server. So once you start these, the next step is I am going to open my browser. Oh, I had a proxy service in place, so let me fix that thing here. So use the manual proxy. I was testing out for the burp suite, and that's just for because of that. All right. So the first step is I'm going to make a simple, because this is DVWA, damn vulnerable web application. In our previous video, we have installed, configure it. So what I'm going to do is the first step is I'm going to change the security setting to low, like a basic security, low security. For impossible, I'm going to post the video later on. Firstly, I will try with the command injection attack. So command injection means like where we can, for example, this particular application is to send a ping packet to a website, right? So let's say if I send a ping packet to google.com, you can type an IP address or the web address, google.com, submit. It's going to send 4 ping packet to google.com. All right. Now, for example, if I put google.com here, and beside that, if I type ls, like and ls, I'm firing 2 commands here. It's going to send 4 ping packet to google.com, and then you can see here, it is also showing you some of the content stored on that website. So it can run like, for example, if I type google.com ls and let's say uname. This is a Linux command to find the username. So you can find multiple commands. So this is called command injection, where what exactly it is doing, it is not validating the user input. So whatever user input, it's getting straight to the server. So that's a basics of command injection. Another one is file inclusion. If you see down here in the file inclusion, when I click file 1, they are basically letting you drag to it. Let's say if I, for example, let's say if I, okay, so let me try file 1. And for example, if I, instead of this, if I put here equal and get out of this directory, you can see here they are letting us get out of that directory. And if I type here 22/ this, and let's say if I type here index.html, let's see if this file exists or not. So basically they are allowing you to access other directories, other files in that. They should give you the warning. They should restrict you that. This is called file inclusion. One last thing which I will show you from here, it is the cross-site scripting reflected. So in cross-site scripting, this is basically simple sort of a blogging website. Let's say if you type your name here, so you can see they print out your name, right? Hello, Umar. And let's say if I add a heading 1, I'm basically trying to pass a script, HTML tags. You can see here what they are basically supporting, they are not validating user input. Whatever user input, they are straight away executing it. So for example, let's say instead of the HTML tag, let's say if I add a JavaScript. If I add a JavaScript, let's say, let me create alert. Let's test it out. You guys can see here, like my JavaScript is also running. So what does it mean? It means the problem is, like, for example, this is the reflected one. So for example, if I make this thing store on that server, it is gonna basically whoever, I mean, I can pass any JavaScript. In our next coming labs, I'm going to show you, we will use stored. If you type it, let me show you that quickly. Let's say if I type Omar messages, hello, how are you? And if I hit sign in this, so you can see here Omar message, hello, how are you doing? So let's say message is Omar, and let's say in the name is Omar, message is, for example, a JavaScript, the same script that we have typed in alert, just to create alert box, just to see if they are supporting or promoting or allowing JavaScript. Hello, you are hacked. And let me close the JavaScript and let's see what happens. All right, so you are hacked. So basically I can, for example, put a script which can copy the session cookies and all those things. So now what's going to happen, let me show you. If I go to file upload, whoever will log into this web page, cross-site scripting store, this is what's going to happen. Why? Because script has been stored, right? If I go up here, go to scroll, you can see here. So now this particular script has been stored on the web server. So whoever will visit this website, log into the website, my JavaScript is going to run automatically. This is basically called the cross-site scripting. Thank you very much. We will continue from here in the next video. Thank you so much.